Here's where you can find 2 secret legendary weapon blueprints on Dying Light the Beast. So for the first blueprint, you want to come over to the sewage plant, where you will find 4 silos. If you climb the tallest one in the middle, at the top you'll find the blueprint for the tempered crowbar, which is the legendary crowbar. To then craft this, you're going to need 35 scraps, 15 wiring, 12 leather and 12 weights. And if you're struggling to find any of these materials, they can all be found in hardware dark zones. This crowbar might actually be one of the strongest single-handed weapons in the game, and because it's a blueprint, it means that you can repair it. These are the stats of the crowbar, and as you can see, it does plus 15% stamina damage, plus 20% damage to headshot or head strike, plus 10% damage to humans, and then plus 6% damage to infected. The next weapon blueprint can be found at the Elemental Food Swinery, where you're going to have to parkour up this structure. It can be fairly difficult, especially as the parkour in this game isn't as intuitive. However, once you're at the top, where it says the safe zone is, if you break this box here, you'll be able to crawl through the vent. Then, on top of the crafting table will be the blueprint for the saw blade launcher. To build this, you're going to need 100 scraps, 10 blades, 3 batteries and 1 gun parts. If you're struggling for gun parts, they can be found by dismantling guns. So the saw blade launcher does a lot of damage and takes out multiple enemies in one shot, and the saw blades are fairly cheap to craft.